Welcome to Speed Zone. Today, we're diving into a car that blends classic heritage with modern muscle, the 2025 Chevrolet Master Deluxe. This modern revival of an iconic nameplate is turning heads with its retro-inspired design, powerful performance, and refined interior. Let's take a closer look. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Chevrolet Master Deluxe pays tribute to its 1930s predecessor while incorporating cutting-edge design. The front end boasts a bold chrome grille, reminiscent of the original but updated with a modern LED lighting signature. Round headlights with intricate LED detailing enhance the classic aesthetic, while the sculpted hood hints at the power beneath. The long, sweeping fenders and elegant lines give it a timeless appeal, while the aerodynamic enhancements ensure it's built for performance. Chevrolet has seamlessly blended old-school charm with contemporary craftsmanship. The side profile reveals a perfect mix of vintage cues and modern styling. A gently sloping roofline flows into a fastback-style rear, adding a sporty touch. The chrome trim around the windows and door handles accentuates the car's premium look. Riding on 19-inch retro-style alloy wheels with white-wall tires, the Master Deluxe delivers a nostalgic feel with a performance-ready stance. The attention to detail is impressive, with subtle badging and a two-tone paint option that enhances its throwback appeal. At the rear, the design is just as striking. The taillights feature a mix of vintage round elements and modern LED technology. A subtle lip spoiler on the trunk lid adds a touch of sportiness, while the dual exhaust outlets hint at the car's performance potential. The rear bumper's chrome accents provide a final nod to its classic roots, making it a true standout on the road. Now, let's talk performance. Chevrolet has equipped the 2025 Master Deluxe with a 6.2-liter V8 engine, producing around 455 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. Paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 10-speed automatic transmission, this powerhouse delivers strong acceleration and a satisfying exhaust note. A 0 to 60 mph time of just under 4 seconds puts it in true muscle car territory, making it more than just a stylish throwback, it's a serious performer. The suspension setup ensures a balance of comfort and agility, allowing for confident handling without sacrificing ride quality. Stepping inside, the cabin continues the theme of blending classic and modern elements. The dashboard features retro-style gauges with digital readouts, giving drivers a mix of nostalgia and advanced technology. Premium leather seats with contrast stitching provide both comfort and support, while wood and aluminum trim add an upscale touch. A 12-inch infotainment display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto keeps things modern, and a premium sound system ensures a great driving soundtrack. The 2025 Chevrolet Master Deluxe is a stunning tribute to the past with all the power and technology expected in a modern muscle car. It's a bold statement from Chevrolet, proving that heritage and performance can go hand in hand. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to subscribe to Speed Zone.